So here we are looking at the MMTE chart, and this is the daily chart. Had some questions and requests on this one, but just am now able to get to it. But what a monster this thing's been, from basically the 00004 range all the way up to well over into 00 area. So great looking move here, and just a good example of how these 000 stocks can really come roaring to life in a very short amount of time. But anyways, what I want to do is get out or map out some supports. Mainly the resistance on this one is pretty evident, and I don't really want to go too farther ahead just besides pointing out the one. The key thing for this one after today's action looks like what kind of consolidation is it going to go through, and whether it's going to be a healthy one and so forth. But the good news is by using charts, it's going to be a piece of cake to figure out whether or not the consolidation is going to be healthy as it occurs. So let's start off with the levels of support. And the first level of support, and this is what I'd call the ideal level, meaning ideally if you were to ask me what level I'd like to see hold going forward, it would be this level right here at 0009. So change this to green for support. And when I say ideal, like this would make the chart look the best. If the lowest it went was right here before heading back up, that would make the chart look super strong, and that'd be great. But at the same time, if the price does close below it, by no means is that cause for panic or anything like that. The next area of support, and a little bit more important, but again, not the be-all end-all, is down here at 0008. You can see, looking back here through the history of the chart, multiple times it acted as resistance to push down the price. But now that the price is above it, it has become a support. So I want to get this changed to green too. Make this line a little bit thicker to represent it being a little bit more important of a level of resistance. But then the real kind of key area of support, and this pertains to, I should preface this by saying if you're a day trader, this level doesn't really pertain to you, but I get the impression that there's quite a few people that are in this for more of the overall chart and overall story. But as long as this purple line here holds that support, I mean, as long as the price continues to close above this 0004 area, then the chart is still bullish. Now, before you call me crazy, because who would want to see it drop all the way back down here? But for the longer term players, let's say that the price does come down here, find support, heads back up from there. Well, by doing that, you'd have a set of lows right here, and you'd have another set down here. So then when we would go to draw our uptrend line, by connecting these lows, we'd be able to draw an uptrend line in the overall perspective. Now, again, if you're a day trader, of course you don't want to see it drop back down there, so that's just for the overall view. So these are going to be the three levels of support: the 50-day, 0008, and then 0009. In terms of resistance, very evident here. You can see the big bad 200-day simple moving average, which is sloping down, has knocked down the price now 2 days in a row. So the 200-day simple moving average is the current level of resistance on this one. Like I said, I'm not going to go any further than that. First, let's get some closes above there, and then I can come back and update the chart and map out where these next levels of resistance are. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on the alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was MMTE. Thanks for listening.